Hello guys, we're looking at Picsart today and how to use it. So just log in. Then you can log in using your account or create an account. Or you could but it is paid. I'm using a free trial right now. It is an editing app. So you can just text the image. We have to sign in for that. So I'll just use Snapchat to sign in. We'll put continue, photo studio. You could also use your email or Apple or just create a new account. I just felt like using Snapchat. Let's open it. Alright, and then now you could write anything. So you could do, let's say, car with big exhaust. And just generate image. You could ask for more. I'm gonna ask for more. But the cool thing is it generates random images. So we can do like other stuff. We can see what's popular here. We'll do elegant setting. I'll also do futuristic. Click on generate image. And yeah, you could look at these. Really cool what you can do. Let's do like a strong cyber monkey. See what shows up. Alright, I swear this is the last one. I just want to see. Show more results. Yeah, alright. So let's just go back. So there's more. You can use that as an editing tool. So I upload a picture here. You can look at the effects. Now I don't know anything about editing. I'll increase saturation, blur. Now blur is good. You could do modify, retouch, draw. There's a lot of stuff on here. Image adjust, enhance. Yeah, you could do like those super saturated. So that's how I do super saturated editing. There's a lot of stuff you can play around with. And yeah, that is how you use this app. And you can post this or save it. You can save it to your photos. But yeah, that's how you use it. I'll look at other stuff. You could look at other stuff like browse. Like let's look at YouTube. You could look at thumbnails, end screens, channel art. You could also do Instagram posts. So there's like a lot of stuff. It's kind of like Canva now that I'm thinking about it, with a bit more features. Do postcards. I could do lots of different stuff, not just edit. That is really cool, and that's how you use the app. Look at your profile. You could also get followers. You could also add stickers, so you can send them to people. Like a cupcake, you just do apply. Just do speed. Alright, yeah.